In this video, I will show you how to use vlog for your business. Meron tayong 5 ways, to use vlogging for your business that could build your customer loyalty, help grow your business, create impact, create influence, and of course guys, to build your authority online to whatever services that you are offering. So the number 1 way is to feature customer testimonials. So customer testimonial video or vlogs, okay, show your viewers that you care about customer service kasi yun talaga yung kailangan ng mga customer ngayon, that you provide quality products, they work to build trust and empathy in your brand. So, the next thing guys na magamit yung vlog nyo sa business nyo is to introduce your company, staff, or departments. Let's say for example, ikaw ay small business owner ka, may mga physical store ka na binibenta. Kasi speaking of building trust and empathy with your brand, why not introduce the people na nandun, na kasali sa mga pangyayari na yun sa business mo, kasali dun sa pag-grow ng business mo. You can easily create a vlog in which you feature different department, yung mga finance, counter, and dapat introduce mo sila kung anong ginagawa nila, anong role nila dun sa company mo. So, use vlogs to showcase your company culture and to build your brand's persona. Number 3 is feature interviews. Okay, if you are a writer, so why not interview other authors na magbibigay din ng mga inputs, mga inspiring, mga motivational stories, hindi lang sa iyo, pati sa mga viewers mo. So, these people have some very interesting things to say about the industry. Meron silang masasabi sa iyo in general. So, they can talk about how the company got started, or they can talk how their journey, kung paano sila nagiging author, paano sila nagiging coach, paano sila nagiging real estate investor, nagiging stock market investor, and the story that really matters. In this way guys, makabuild kayo ng rapport with your audience, with your customers. The 4th is event or conference recaps. Pinadala ka ng company mo as a representative sa company nyo. So, mayroon kang pinuntahan na event or conference. So, why not do a vlog on it guys? Kasi in that way, makabuild kayo ng trust din sa mga clients or mga customers nyo. Let's say for example, sa ginawa ko before, yung Global Authors Summit. Ayun, in-invite ako ng isang friends ko. So, I just sharing, interviewing some authors, mga kasama ko, of course, Ma'am Mariam, sila si Miss MJ, si Ma'am Mafe. So, isa po yung way ko, not only to grow my YouTube channel, but also to grow my influence with other influencers and business owners. So, in that way, guys, makilala kayo ng mga tao at saka makilala din yung mga tao na kasama mo sa video mo. Kasi when people know that you're doing video, so make it a valuable content, matutuwa sila sa'yo na isasali mo sila dun sa ginagawa mong vlog. The 5th one, vlog your day at the office or have a vlog in your, let's say, a day in the life of being an entrepreneur, a day in the life of being a stock market investor, day in the life of being an author. So, isi-share nyo po yung mga, like, normal days mo lang po sa buhay mo. Because people love raw videos. They more love on kung sino ka talaga. Okay? Mas gusto nilang kilalanin ka personal. Don't be shy na ipakita sa kanila kung ano yung ginagawa mo as a person. Gives your prospects and customers behind the scenes that your company or your business are working together. Pag meron kang ganitong vlog, you can show your customers how the magic happens to bring them the products that they love. Plus, you can even turn it into a series. So, pwede siyang gawan ng part 1, part 2, part 3. Okay, show off these aspects of your company and in your business. Show off the level of, meron kasing doong transparency guys, that na mas maano yung mga customer na bumili dun sa products and services nyo kasi feeling nila close na kayo, mas nakilala ka nila as a brand, as an entrepreneurs, as a business owners. Kasi mas nakaka-build siya ng trust, ng empathy, at saka loyalty sa mga fans nyo, sa mga followers nyo as well.